马来同胞。
来同胞Melayu punya orang.
Muhammad Syahil bin Susuri.
Susuri ya. Susuri ya.
Hi, I'm Shahil,
I'm Nur Fazira.
and we are the proud owners of this home. I went through Renopedia, then they provide me a few reliable IDs lah. So in the end, I ended up choosing Alchemist Renovation Design. The favorite part is of course my TV area lah, bro. Yeah. So the TV area where I spend most of my time with my family, with my wife and my kid. But of course no screen time for now lah for me. So once she sleep, then we can come out lah. Yep. This theme is called Modern Contemporary, if I'm not mistaken. The inspiration came from one of the Renopedia's Instagram and also Pinterest. My ID helped to facilitate the project management lah. Yep. Renopedia gave me a few choices. I went with Alchemist, right? And Alchemist, the designer was actually my Republic Poly friend. So we went to the same school lah. So I'm glad that she actually brought me lah. I've also long time never see and stuff. Every project we have hiccups lah. There's no perfect or anything lah. But what's important is you need to have a reliable ID that can manage your project well lah. So in my case, thankfully I got a very reliable ID that actually helped to coordinate and whatever hiccups. Definitely lah, definitely. Especially as a first-time buyer, like you do not know exactly what IDs are recommended or what IDs are good out there. So Renopedia actually give you the sense of security lah. So they also provide a few options, not just one. After they source out for you a few options, then you can actually choose which is your chosen one basically. Yeah. Thank you, Renopedia.
Do remember to check out their social for more home renovation tips and inspiration.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.